Where's my name? Where's my name? Where's my name? Chris? Christina. Oh my god, ended up buying so much stuff. Souvenirs for everyone. Well, not everyone lah. I'm not made of cash. Is that a llama? Is that a unicorn? Oh my god. Can I bring one home? I'm looking for this dollar beer thing and I'm trying to rely on maps. I'm not sure how accurate it is, but let me see if I can find it. I don't know if I can have like one beer before I leave or something because I'm so hungry. I might get drunk. Honestly, I'm not sure where I'm going. I might be lost what the map is saying I'm going to the right place. Let's see. Guess what? It does exist. I want dollar beer, but I don't think I can drink it right now. So okay, it's not $1, but I was saying it's not $1, but it's $2 for a Coors Light glass. But you can have a picture, and I'm not sure about the reward thingy, but whatever. I'm gonna eat anyway. And I got my poke bowl. Oh my god! I just went ham, man. Okay, I got some ahi tuna down there. Like, oh my god, look at how good that is. Okay, I'm not even showing you anything. Crispy fried onions, seaweed salad. I got an avocado down there. And ahi tuna, oh my god, with spicy sauce. I'm gonna have a little break. We're gonna meet up at around 5 o'clock later to catch the bus back. So I'm gonna eat while I'm gonna watch the show. All alone. This is fucking amazing, okay? Oh my god. This is a place if you wanna go for $1 beer in Alamana.